இப்போ நம்ம வந்து டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஹைபிரிடைசேஷன் இன் மாலிகூல்ஸ் as well as ions பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். ஸோ மாலிகூல்ஸில் சில எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தோம். ஸோ மாலிகூல்ஸ் ஆர் நியூட்ரல் ஸ்பீஷீஸ், அயான்ஸ் ஆர் சார்ஜ் ஸ்பீஷீஸ். கேட்டயானாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லாட்டினா ஆனியானாக இருக்கலாம். கேட்டயான்னா பாசிட்டிவ்லி சார்ஜ், ஆனியான்னா நெகட்டிவ்லி சார்ஜ். ஸோ சார்ஜ் ஸ்பீஷீஸ் ஆர் obtained by either loss or gain of electrons. Cations are obtained by the loss of electrons from the neutral molecules. Anions are obtained by the gain of electrons to the neutral molecules. So இப்போ வந்து ionsக்கு பார்ப்போம். Simpler ion NO2 minus. So NO2 சொன்னா nitric oxide molecule. NO2 minus சொன்னா nitrite anion. Nitrite anion. இதுல வந்து we have to recall the steps to be followed in the determination of type of hybridization. First step is that determination of number of valence electrons, that is the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Then you have to add or subtract the number of electrons to form the ions, that is in the ion formation. In the ion formation. இது ரெண்டு ஸ்டெப் சொல்றோம். By this step 1 and step 2 you will get some number. This number has to be compared whether it is greater than 8, that is 9 to 56 ல இருக்கலாம் periodic table ல, இல்லாட்டினா less than or equal to 8 இருக்கும். Octet configuration speaks about the stability. அதனால நம்ம இந்த ரெண்டு ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். If it is less than 8 ன்னு சொன்னா that has to be divided by 2. You will end up with some quotient and remainder. So here you have to be careful. If remainder is 0 means no botheration. The process is stopped here. Remainder is non-zero means you have to continue. If you get a remainder non-zero value, that has to be divided by 2. Like that to get a value. This is the value to be noted for any measure. If it is less than 8, division by 2. If it is greater than 8, that is 9 to 56, now you have to divide by 8. You have to divide by 8. Divide by 8 பண்ணும்போது you will end up with a quotient and remainder. Remainder 0 na process is stopped. Remainder non-zero na process is continue. So remainder 8 நால divide பண்ணாலே remainder வந்து less than 8 ஆ தான் இருக்கும். அப்ப it has to be divided by 2. அப்ப another quotient and remainder. So this is the method to be followed for the arriving at the type. So in the last step, fourth step is the sum of all quotients and final remainder. You have to get the value. Sum of all quotients and last remainder. Last remainder. And the value it is assigned as x. This value is assigned as x. From the value of x, you have to identify the type of hybridization as sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2. This is to be method to be followed for ions. That is the second step, addition of or subtraction of electrons to form the ions. In the case of neutral molecules, this step can be omitted. There is no loss of electrons or gain of electrons in the formation of neutral molecules. So in this case, you got the otherwise the process is similar. Now we will see the aspect for nitrite anion. That is type of hybridization for nitrite anion. Nitrogen outermost electron, nitrogen atomic number is 725. Oxygen, so this is the nitrite anion. Outermost is 5. Outermost shell contains 5 electrons. 2 oxygen atoms are there. Oxygen is the 6th group element. So outermost shell contains 6. So 5 for nitrogen, 6 for oxygen. 2 oxygen means 2 into 6, but ion is formed by the gaining of 1 electron. So 2 6 are 12 plus 5 17 plus 1 18. So 18 is greater than 8. By 18 by 8, 2 8s are 16 plus 2. 2 8s are 16 plus 2. So this is the quotient. 2 is quotient, 2 is remainder. So here remainder is non-zero. Remainder is non-zero. So remainder has to be divided by 2. You will get 1 plus 0. That is, this is quotient. 2 by 2, 1. So this is the first quotient. This is the second quotient. First remainder, second remainder. So now this process has to be continued till you get a remainder of 0. Until otherwise you get a remainder of non-zero, you have to continue the process. This process has to be continued till you get a non-zero value. So now the process is over. Next step is a summing up of all quotients and final remainder. 2 quotients are there and 1 remainder. Q1 plus Q2 plus R2. Q1 2, Q2 1, R2 0. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 0 3 equal to X. 3 equal to X. X equal to 3 injuna, you have to compare 1 s orbital, 2 p orbitals. So the type of hybridization is sp2. Type of hybridization is sp2 for nitrate anion. This method we have to continue for other species. So the point to be noted is that first divide by, if the number of electrons is greater than 8 or in the range of 9 to 56, we got to divide by 8 and you will end up with a quotient and a remainder. Remainder 0 means you can stop the process. Remainder is non-zero means you have to continue. So remainder will be definitely less than 8. So it can be divided by 2. So type of hybridization for nitrate anion பார்த்தோம். கடைசியா once again ஒரு ஆனியானுக்கும் ஒரு கேட்டயானுக்கும் டைப் ஆஃப் ஹைபிரிடைசேஷன் மெத்தட்ல எப்படி பார்க்கறதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். So ICl4 iodine tetrachloride anion, ICl minus. So iodine chlorine ரெண்டுமே 7th group element. அதனால outermost electrons in both the cases is 7. போட்டிங்கன்னா iodine-க்கு 7, chlorine-க்கு outermost shell contains 7 electrons. ஆனால் 4 chlorine இருக்கு. Anion is formed by the addition of 1 electron. So இந்த component வந்து ICl4 neutral species க்கு plus 1 for anion. 4 7s are 28 plus 7 35. 35 plus 1 36. 36 வந்து greater than 8. But 36 by 8. So 4 8s are 32 plus remainder 4. So this is quotient 1, remainder 1. Remainder வந்து non-zero, but plus next step is 4 by 2. அப்படின்னு சொன்னா 2 plus 0. Quotient 2, remainder 2. This finishes the process. இப்போ last step is the addition of all quotients plus final remainder, that is Q1 plus Q2 plus R2, that is 4 plus 2 plus 0 equal to 6. So 6 equal to X. 6 equal to X அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இதோட hybridization sp3d2, அதாவது ஒரு s orbital 3 p orbital 1 plus 3 4 plus 2. So அதனால 6 இதோட type of hybridization sp3d2. So this establishes the type of hybridization for iodine tetrachloride anion. கடைசியா for ammonium cation. Ammonium cation, so nitrogen outermost shell contains 5. Nitrogen atomic number 7, 2, 5. Outermost shell contains 5 electrons. Hydrogen only one shell, that is outermost, it contains 1 electron. Each hydrogen contains 1 electron. 4 hydrogen atoms contain 4 electrons. But the cation is formed by the loss of 1 electron. So, இதில் வந்து number of electrons 5 plus 4 into 1, 5 plus 4 9 minus 1 8. So 8. So 8 வந்தாலே you got to divide by 2. So 8 by 2, 4 plus 0. Remainder 0 வந்துருச்சு. The process is finished. So 4 plus 0. So x equal to 4. X equal to 4 na type of hybridization sp3. So this establishes the type of hybridization for ammonium cation.